Hello, hello. Welcome to the MSC Divina, room 13080. This is an obstructed view balcony. Walking in, we have our king-size bed. Got nightstands on either side. This can be split into two twins. We have our big mirror for whatever reasons MSC thinks is pertinent. Use your imagination. Walking over here, we have our pull-out couch. Nice little table. Coming over here, we do have our desk, little chair there, mini fridge, and I'll focus on some of the things that I would have liked to have seen in some videos that I was trying to do some research when I was planning this trip. So for inquiring minds, that is your power outlets. You have two Europeans and two Americans. You have Ethernet, and then if you feel ambitious, there are a couple plugs under the bed in the middle there. Walking out to the balcony, this is what I was trying to figure out, is if you are planning on doing a hammock, think again. Because here there is nowhere to hang. There is a nice lip over here, but I'm pretty sure they would say something about that. And then over on this side, you do have these supports up here that, I don't know if I would trust it or not. Walking back in, you have the room. The bathroom is your standard cruise bathroom with a little itty bitty shower. And then you do have one power outlet up here on top that only turns on when that little plunger is depressed, which it's stuck in there. And coming out here, you just have your normal closets with your safe, a couple drawers. Again, normal closet, and that is it.